You hear me? This for the streets, man. I had to take it back. 100 degrees and walking to the spot. I'm going to see the connect with everything I got. From the bottom, started out with a 25, but I went back. Same day, like 5 times, that's what Dre said. Young blood, your shit is live, can you handle this? Took the package, I was out, I'm a young king. Big hopes and big dreams, coming from the borough, they call it County of Kings. They get alert when I tell them where I'm from. They looking at me like I probably got a gun. Went through the struggle with mother and the sons. Whatever we needed, the lady got it done. Love wasn't enough, I had to hustle. Try flex if you want, I got the muscle. I seen niggas get fat while I struggled. I took that as a lesson, then I bubbled. 3/5 and Broadway, they had the haze. I caught weed by the pound, I got the wave. I'm a Harlem nigga, used to live in 9-5, but now I'm 5'9", told you niggas prime time. I had a different mindset when I went to school. Fuck a classroom, I'd rather play the vestibule. I got banned by housing too many hand-to-hands. I was addicted to money and couldn't understand. In and out of the bookings, that was God plan. Neck full of naked, so I had to bezel up. It's getting cold, so I had to raise the pressure up. You get a little fab, and now you leveled up. This time around, I'ma leave you niggas in the dust. Swagger right, 33rd, come and fuck with us. Play the block with my niggas, call us block fam. I had a hangover night, I was bop fam. Late nights, I be sipping lean. Eyes red like my shit's bleeding. Nigga, I woke with demons. Hollow tips and a couple beams. My boy sturdy with the 30, let off and will kill your dream.